Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video. In this video, I am going to solve few problem which is based on seismic velocity. So the first problem is given that the velocity of P waves in a in a sandstone matrix is 5600 meter per second. So the velocity given that velocity in matrix, that is Vm, will be 5600 meter per second, and that in oil is 1200 meter per second. So velocity in fluid is 1200 meter per second. Now the velocity of P wave propagation in oil saturated sandstone with 30% porosity. So the porosity is 30%. In fraction you can write 30 divided by 100, that is 0.3. So we have to find the velocity in the bulk material. So suppose V is the velocity of wave in the bulk material, that is oil saturated sandstone, that is oil saturated sandstone. So from the Wiley time average equation, the Wiley time average equation is 1 over V, which is equals to phi divided by Vf plus 1 minus phi divided by Vm. So V is the velocity in the bulk material, Vf is the velocity in fluid, and Vm is the velocity in matrix, and phi is the porosity. So from this equation you can get the value of V, that is velocity in bulk material. So this is the Wiley time average equation. So now put the value. So 1 by V is equals to phi is 0.3 divided by 1200 plus 1 minus 0.3 divided by Vm. Vm is 5600. So that will be 1 upon V divided by 3 divided by 12,000 plus 7 divided by 56,000. Now 1 upon V, which is equals to 1 upon 4,000 plus 1 upon 8,000. That will be 3 upon 8,000, or you can write V is equals to 8,000 divided by 3. So this will be 2666.67, and the unit will be meter per second. So the velocity in oil saturated sandstone is 26,666.67 meter per second. So the answer will be 26,600, sorry, 2666.67, यानी 2666.67 meter per second. Now the next problem is, if alpha and beta are the P wave and S wave velocities respectively, then you have to find the value of alpha square minus 4 by 3 beta square. So as you know, Vp, that is primary wave velocity, or alpha, which is equals to k plus 4 by 3 mu divided by rho, or you can say lambda plus 2 mu by rho. This will be equation number 1. Or beta, that is Vs, secondary wave velocity, which is equals to mu by rho. This is equation number 2. Now you have to find the value of alpha square minus 4 by 3 beta square. So you have to find the value of alpha square minus 4 by 3 beta square. So alpha square is k plus 4 by 3 mu divided by rho minus 4 by 3 mu by rho. So that will be k by rho plus 4 by 3 mu by rho minus 4 by 3 mu by rho. Second and third term will cancel out. So alpha square minus 4 by 3 beta square is equals to k by rho. So our answer will be k by rho. That is option A will correct. One more problem is there. If Vp is, that is Vp square is alpha square, which is from this term lambda plus 2 mu by rho, and Vs square, that is beta square, is equals to mu by rho. If we find Vp square minus 2Vs square, that is alpha square minus 2 beta square, so that will be lambda by rho plus 2 mu by rho minus 2 mu by rho. So here again this term will cancel out. So this will be alpha square minus 2 beta square, which is equals to lambda by rho. So answer will be lambda by rho. If the problem is given that find the value of alpha square minus 2 beta square if alpha is Vp, that is primary wave velocity, and beta, that is Vs, is secondary wave velocity. So the answer will be lambda by rho. So this will be your answer. Alpha square minus 2 beta square. So this will be your answer. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.